Hello students. Today in this video we will learn how to enroll as a student in Teachment online classes. Right, so here is the first wall of my screen. I'm opening now the Play Store for downloading the Teachment app. So here in the search bar you have to write here Teachment, and you can see here the first option has come, and you have to click that first option and you have to click install. Now depending upon the speed of the internet, the app will be installed in your mobile. So here my app is installed and it's ready to open. So I'm opening it now. So this is the first wall of your Teachment app, and here English language is selected. I'll continue. Now they are asking for a mobile number, because from one mobile number only you can enroll. One student will get enrolled with one mobile number. Okay, so here I will just click in this bar and I will write a mobile number here. Since I've enrolled with my mobile as a teacher, so I will enroll with some other mobile. As a student. Okay, now here they're asking to send the OTP, and they will send the OTP on my other mobile. So here I'm getting the OTP in my other mobile. So here I'm typing the OTP, which you'll get the mobile on the mobile which you have given, mobile number which you have given. Okay, so this way I have written the OTP here, and then I will continue. Now you have to enter your name. Okay, for example, I'm entering my name here. I'm just writing any name over here. You write your name over here, and then you have to enroll as a student. So you have to click here students, and then you have to continue. Okay, now let's get you enrolled in a classroom. Now if you want to enroll in a classroom, now this is the way you have started with your Teachment app, and you are ready to get enrolled in the classrooms. Right, now what your teacher must have sent you the link on the eCare Pro. Now what I'll do, I'm just minimizing my screen with the help of this 3 bars down at the bottom of my mobile. Now I'm opening the app eCare Pro, where I have sent you the links for enrolling in my class. So I will click it. Now you want to enroll in my maths class. So what you'll do, you will click over here on this blue highlighted link. Once you will click it, now you will click on Teachment app. Now here, this way this screen you're going to get when you click any link which your teacher is sending you on the eCare Pro app. Approval is pending. Okay, that means you have enrolled in my class, and now I'm getting some approvals here. So I have my other device, so I will let you in. So once your teacher will enroll you in the class, you will get the next message. Just now she has not enrolled you in the class, so you'll get a message like this. Now I'm enrolling you. So now when your teacher will enroll you, now on your wall you will see like this. You will get the message congratulations with your name, and then you will see your teacher's class over here on the wall, and the timetable is also given. You can click on the timetable and you'll get to know when her class is there of maths, and on the same time you join. Okay, here the option is given join live. So that red button you have to click when the time will start, like 8:30 in the morning. You will enroll, or you will enter for your class maths, and you will click here at join live, and teacher will open it from her mobile, and you will click this join live and enter in her class. Right, children? So this way you can join any class. It's very easy. Right, now again children, I want to enroll for my science class of my teacher. So here this is the second link which I've sent. So for each subject you have to click a separate link. Okay, so here for science also I have sent you a link. This is the link for the science. So when you click the link, again it will ask for the app. You will click Teachment app. Now again, what is written here? Ma'am Taranum's class here, approval pending. That means just now she has not enrolled you in the class. So when she will enroll you in the class, then you will get here the class name as well as the timetable of the class. So I'm enrolling you from my other mobile. So just see what message will come now. Now you get the message here, good news, congratulations, with your name it will come and you are enrolled in the class. Now you have two classes on your wall, class for maths and class for science. So this way you can enroll for other subjects also, like my computer also, and other subjects, English, social studies and Hindi also. You will enroll like this one by one, okay? And you can get started with the class, right children? So and now I'm just opening my Teachment app just to show you how your wall will look now. So here is the, I'll just find, yes, this is the Teachment app. Can you see here? The book sign is there. Yes, so this is the wall of your Teachment app now. Whenever you click this, you will get this wall. Now here, Ma'am Taranum's class, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm having at 8:30, you know the timetable. You can click this and then at 8:30 you can click join live button and you can start. For example, I am starting my maths class right now. So how it will look? Okay, so here, so if you will join live here, allow, it will be seen. So this way you can attend the class also. I hope you have understood with this video, and for the next some more options in the Teachment app, I will teach you in my next video. Thank you.